Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. But what exactly is the sun? How does it work? And why does it have such a huge influence on everything in the solar system? Let's take a closer look at this fiery giant. The sun, a giant ball of burning gas at the center of our solar system. Classified as a G2V star, it's one of billions in the Milky Way. But for us, it's the most important. Why? Because without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The sun is a G-type main sequence star, also called a yellow dwarf. It's primarily composed of hydrogen, 74%, and helium, 24%, with its core reaching temperatures of around 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Its catalog number in the Hipparcos star database is HIP 79607, but to us, it's simply the sun. This massive star provides light and heat, which travels 93 million miles to reach Earth in just 8 minutes. With a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers, 870,000 miles, it's so big that it could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. Do you know how does the sun works? The sun generates energy through nuclear fusion, a process where hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. The surface of the sun can reach temperatures of about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while the core is a scorching 15 million degrees C, 27 million degrees F. This energy travels to Earth as light and heat, powering everything from weather patterns to photosynthesis. Do you know the most unique feature of the sun? One of the sun's most interesting features is sunspots, cooler areas on its surface that appear dark. These are caused by intense magnetic activity. Sometimes, this magnetic energy bursts out in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. When these hit Earth, they can cause beautiful auroras, but also disrupt satellites and electronics. The sun is more than just a glowing ball in the sky, it's the heart of our solar system, a symbol of life, and a reminder of the incredible power of the universe. In the next episode, we'll visit the closest planet to the sun, Mercury.